Hello everyone! Are you ready to ace the AIIMS B.Sc Nursing Entrance Exam 2025? In this video, we've packed 120 plus must-know practice MCQs from physics, chemistry, biology, and general knowledge, all sorted topic-wise to help you study smarter and boost your confidence. So grab your notebook, pause, and try the answers, and let's begin with physics. Here is the main syllabus for the nursing exam, including all major topics and subtopics. Please take a look. Let's start with physics. First question. Which of the following electrical components follows Ohm's law, meaning the current through it is directly proportional to the voltage across it, provided the temperature remains constant? Options. A diode. B transistor. C resistor. D capacitor. Answer C resistor. Next question. In the International System of Units, what is the standard unit used to measure electric current, which represents the flow of electric charge per second through a conductor? Options. A volt. B ohm. C ampere. D coulomb. Answer C ampere. Next question. According to the formula for resistance in an electrical conductor, which of the following quantities is resistance directly proportional to, assuming constant material and cross-sectional area? Options. A its length. B its area. C the square of its length. D its temperature only. Answer A its length. Next question. Which scientist is credited with the discovery of electromagnetic induction, a fundamental principle used in electric generators and transformers? Options. A. Isaac Newton. B. Albert Einstein. C. Michael Faraday. D. Nikola Tesla. Answer C. Michael Faraday. Next question. In the context of electromagnetic induction, what is the SI unit used to measure magnetic flux? Options. A. Tesla. B. Weber. C. Henry. D. Farad. Answer B. Weber. Next question. Lenz's law, which gives the direction of induced current, is based on which fundamental principle of physics? Options. A. Law of conservation of charge. B. Law of conservation of momentum. C. Law of conservation of energy. D. Law of conservation of current. Answer C. Law of conservation of energy. Next question. In electronic circuits, a Zener diode is commonly used for which of the following purposes due to its ability to maintain a constant voltage? Options. A. Signal amplification. B. Current rectification. C. Voltage regulation. D. Signal oscillation. Answer C. Voltage regulation. Next question. Which electronic component functions both as a switch and an amplifier in electronic circuits and is widely used in digital logic and signal processing? Options. A. Diode. B. Transistor. C. Capacitor. D. Resistor. Answer B. Transistor. Next question. What is the average value of alternating current over one complete cycle of the waveform and why? Options. A. Maximum value. B. 0. C. Root mean square value. D. Infinite. Answer B. 0. Next question. In an alternating current circuit, which mathematical expression is used to define the power factor, indicating the phase difference between voltage and current? Options. A. Voltage divided by current. B. Resistance divided by inductance. C. Cosine of the phase angle. D. Sine of the phase angle. Answer C. Cos theta. Next question. In nuclear physics, what are alpha particles commonly identified as during radioactive decay processes? Options. A. Electrons. B. Neutrons. C. Helium nuclei. D. Protons. Answer C. Helium nuclei. Next question. What does the term half-life indicate in the study of radioactive substances? Options. A. The sample to decay completely. B. The activity to double. C. Half of the atoms to decay. D. None of these. Answer C. Half of the atoms to decay. Next question. FM radio broadcasting is usually carried out in which of the following frequency ranges? Options. A. 920 MHz. B1 10 MHz. C. 16 MHz. D1 100 kHz. Answer A. 88 108 MHz. Next question. Which one of the following is not considered a type of wave propagation used for transmitting radio signals over distances? Options. A. Ground wave. B. Space wave. C. Sky wave. D. X-ray wave. Answer D. X-ray wave. Next question. When an object is placed in front of a concave lens, what type of image does it always produce regardless of the object's distance? Options. A. Real and inverted image. B. Virtual and erect image. C. Real and erect image. D. Virtual and inverted image. Answer B. Virtual and erect image. Next question. Who proposed the concept that electrons and other particles exhibit wave-like properties, combining both particle and wave nature? Options. A. Einstein. B. Bohr. C. Planck. D. de Broglie. Answer D. de Broglie. Next question. The photoelectric effect is a phenomenon that supports which fundamental property of light? Options. A. Wave nature of light. B. Particle nature of light. C. Reflection of light. D. Refraction of light. Answer B. Particle nature of light. Next question. Coulomb's law, which defines the electrostatic force between two-point charges, is applicable under which condition? Options. Charges at rest. B. Moving charges. C. Charges in air only. D. Magnetic materials. Answer A. Charges at rest. Next question. When a conductor is in electrostatic equilibrium, what is the value of the electric field inside it? Options. A. 0. B. Infinite. C. Equal to external field. D. Constant. Answer is 0. Next question. In the International System of Units, which unit is used to represent electric potential or potential difference? Options. A. Ampere. B. Volt. C. Ohm. D. Coulomb. Answer B. Volt. Next question. According to which rule can the direction of the magnetic field around a current-carrying conductor be determined? Options. A. Fleming's left-hand rule. B. Right-hand thumb rule. C. Ohm's law. D. Snell's law. Answer B. Right-hand thumb rule. Next question. What is the SI unit used to measure the strength or intensity of a magnetic field? Options. A. Tesla. B. Weber. C. Henry. D. Farad. Answer A. Tesla. Next question. Which of the following statements correctly describes the nature of magnetic field lines? Options. They intersect each other. B. Are elliptical. C. Do not intersect. D. Are circular only. Answer C. Do not intersect. Next question. Among the options given, which electromagnetic wave has the greatest frequency and therefore the most energy? Options. A. Radio waves. B. UV rays. C. Gamma rays. D. Infrared. Answer C. Gamma rays. Q25. Which of the following types of waves is not included in the electromagnetic spectrum? Options. A. X-rays. B. Sound waves. C. Microwaves. D. Infrared. Answer B. Sound waves. Next question. What is the sign convention for the focal length of a concave mirror in mirror formula calculations? Options. A. Positive. B. Negative. C. 0. D. Infinite. Answer B. Negative. Next question. For total internal reflection to occur, in which direction must the light travel? Options. A. Denser to rarer medium. B. Rarer to denser medium. C. Air to water. D. Vacuum to glass. Answer A. Denser to rarer medium. Next question. Out of the following colors in the visible spectrum, which one has the shortest wavelength? Options. A. Red. B. Green. C. Blue. D. Violet. Answer D. Violet. Next question. The energy of a photon depends directly on which of the following physical properties? Options. A. Wavelength. B. Frequency. C. Speed. D. Mass. Answer B. Frequency. Next question. Which isotope is most commonly used as fuel in nuclear power plants to generate energy through fission? Options. A. Uranium-235. B. Carbon-12. C. Radium. D. Cobalt-60. Answer A. Uranium-235. Next question. In astronomy, what does the term light year refer to? A. Time. B. Distance. C. Speed. D. Intensity. Answer B. Distance. Next question. Which of the following instruments is specifically used to measure the potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit? A. Ammeter. B. Voltmeter. C. Galvanometer. D. Hygrometer. Answer B. Voltmeter. Next question. Out of the following quantities, which one is a scalar and not a vector? A. Velocity. B. Acceleration. C. Work. D. Force. Answer C. Work. Next question. Which of these devices is capable of converting stored chemical energy directly into electrical energy for use in circuits? A. Generator. B. Transformer. C. Battery. D. Motor. Answer C. Battery. Next topic is chemistry. Question 35. How many atoms are present in a face-centered cubic unit cell, which is one of the most common types of crystal structures found in metals like aluminum and copper? A. 1. B. 2. C. 4. D. 6. Answer C. 4. Next question. Which of the following substances is an example of a crystalline solid, known for its orderly and repeating arrangement of atoms or molecules in a structured pattern commonly seen in minerals? A. Glass. B. Plastic. C. Quartz. D. Rubber. Answer C. Quartz. Next question. Which of the following is a disaccharide, a carbohydrate formed by the joining of 2 monosaccharides, and is commonly found in sugarcane and sugar beets? A. Glucose. B. Fructose. C. Sucrose. D. Starch. Answer C. Sucrose. Next question. Enzymes are biological catalysts that accelerate chemical reactions in living organisms. What is their chemical composition? A. Carbohydrates. B. Fats. C. Proteins. D. Nucleic acids. Answer C. Proteins. Next question. Aspirin, a commonly used medication, has several therapeutic uses. What is its primary action when taken for relieving symptoms like fever and pain? A. Antibiotic. B. Antipyretic. C. Antiseptic. D. Antacid. Answer B. Antipyretic. Next question. Detergents are used to clean substances, especially in situations involving hard water. In which of the following conditions do detergents work most effectively? A. Acidic medium. B. Neutral medium. C. Hard water. D. Soft water only. Answer C. Hard water. Next question. Which of the following methods is primarily used for the concentration of sulfide ores, which involves separating the ore from unwanted materials using froth formation? A. Froth flotation. B. Hydraulic washing. C. Magnetic separation. D. Electrolysis. Answer A. Froth flotation. Next question. In metallurgy, flux is a substance used during the extraction process to aid in removing impurities from the metal ores. What is the main purpose of using flux? A. Remove gangue. B. Add color. C. Increase density. D. Reduce temperature. Answer A. Remove gangue. Next question. Which of the following is considered a colligative property of a solution, a property that depends on the number of solute particles in the solution but not on their identity? A. Refractive index. B. Boiling point elevation. C. Surface tension. D. Viscosity. Answer B. Boiling point elevation. Next question. Molality is a term used in chemistry to describe the concentration of a solution. How is molality defined in terms of the amount of solute and solvent? A. Moles of solute volume of solution. B. Moles of solute kg of solvent. C. Grams of solute kg of solution. D. Grams of solute liters of solvent. Answer B. Moles of solute kg of solvent. Next question. The rate of a chemical reaction can be influenced by several factors, including the presence of catalysts, temperature, and the concentration of reactants. Which of the following factors does the rate of a reaction depend on? A. Catalyst. B. Temperature. C. Concentration. D. All of these. Answer D. All of these. Next question. The rate constant is a key parameter in the study of reaction rates. For a first-order chemical reaction, which of the following represents the correct unit of the rate constant? A. Mole L. B. Superscript 1. C. L mole. D. Mole superscript 1 superscript 1. Answer B. Superscript 1. Next question. In electrochemical cells, oxidation refers to the process where a substance loses electrons. Which electrode is associated with oxidation in an electrochemical cell? A. Anode. B. Cathode. C. Both. D. None. Answer A. Anode. Next question. Lithium-ion batteries are commonly used in modern electronic devices such as mobile phones and laptops. Which type of cell is typically found in these devices? A. Lead-acid cell. B. Mercury cell. C. Dry cell. D. Lithium-ion cell. Answer D. Lithium-ion cell. Next question. Teflon, a polymer with widespread use in nonstick cookware, is made from the polymerization of which of the following monomers? Known for its carbon-fluorine bonds that make it resistant to heat and chemical corrosion? A. Ethylene. B. Vinyl chloride. C. Tetrafluoroethylene. D. Propene. Answer C. Tetrafluoroethylene. Next question. Starch is a natural polymer, commonly found in plants and used as an energy source in many living organisms. Which of the following is a natural polymer? A. PVC. B. Nylon. C. Starch. D. Bakelite. Answer C. Starch. Next question. Butane is an example of a synthetic rubber formed by the polymerization of butadiene and styrene. Which of the following categories does butane fall under? A. Thermoplastic. B. Natural rubber. C. Condensation polymer. D. Synthetic rubber. Answer D. Synthetic rubber. Next question. Chemical formula of ozone, a molecule that consists of 3 oxygen atoms and plays a crucial role in protecting the Earth from ultraviolet radiation is AO, BO, CO3, DO. Answer CO3. Next question. Which of the following elements in the p block is the most electronegative, meaning it has the strongest ability to attract electrons in a chemical bond? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Fluorine. D. Chlorine. Answer C. Fluorine. Next question. Process of settling or aggregation of colloidal particles in a solution, leading to the formation of a solid phase, is known as A. Peptization. B. Coagulation. C. Dialysis. D. Emulsification. Answer B. Coagulation. Next question. Gold sol, a type of colloidal solution containing finely dispersed gold particles, is an example of A. True solution. B. Colloid. C. Suspension. D. None of these. Answer B. Colloid. Next question. Which of the following elements is classified as a transition element, characterized by its ability to form multiple oxidation states and participate in complex formation? A. Na. B. Ca. C. Fe. D. Al. Answer C. Fe. Next question. Lanthanides, a group of elements known for their unique magnetic and optical properties, belong to which block in the periodic table? A. P block. B. D block. C. F block. D. S block. Answer C. F block. Next question. Aniline, an organic compound commonly used in the manufacture of dyes and pharmaceuticals, is classified as A. Alcohol. B. Amine. C. Ketone. D. Aldehyde. Answer B. Amine. Next question. Nitro compounds, which are widely used in explosives and as chemical intermediates, contain which functional group? A. NH2. B. NO2. C. O. D. COOH. Answer B. NO2. Next question. Ethanol, a widely consumed alcoholic beverage and industrial solvent, is commonly known as A. Methyl alcohol. B. Grain alcohol. C. Wood spirit. D. Formaldehyde. Answer B. Grain alcohol. Next question. Which of the following compounds is an ester, a type of organic compound commonly formed by the reaction of an alcohol with a carboxylic acid? CH3COH. B. CH3CH2. C. CH3CH3. D. CH3NH2. Answer C. CH3CH3. Next question. Phenol, a compound with antiseptic properties commonly used in disinfectants, is A. Acidic. B. Basic. C. Neutral. D. Amphoteric. Answer A. Acidic. Next question. Coordination number refers to the number of ligand atoms directly bonded to the central metal atom in a coordination compound. What is the coordination number of the central metal atom in the complex ion superscript 2? A2. B4. C6. D1. Answer B4. Next question. Ligands, which are ions or molecules that bind to a central metal atom in a coordination compound, can be classified as A. Atoms. B. Ions or molecules. C. Nonmetals. D. Metals only. Answer B. Ions or molecules. Next question. Ketones, a class of organic compounds often used as solvents in industry, contain which of the following functional groups? COOH, B. CHO. C. CO. D. O. Answer C. CO. Next question. Which of the following compounds is a carboxylic acid, a class of organic compounds characterized by the presence of a carboxyl group? Fit. B. CH3CHO. C. CH3COH. D. CH4. Answer C. CH3COOH. Next question. Carboxylic acids, which are commonly found in foods, preservatives, and industrial applications, are generally A. Weak bases. B. Strong acids. C. Weak acids. D. Neutral compounds. Answer C. Weak acids. Next question. A ketone, a common organic compound used as a solvent, contains which functional group known for its carbon-oxygen double bond? A. A hydroxyl group. B. A carbonyl group. C. An amino group. D. A nitro group. Answer B. A carbonyl group. Next topic is biology. Question 69. Prokaryotic cells differ from eukaryotic cells by lacking a membrane-bound organelle that is found in eukaryotic cells. Which of the following organelles is absent in prokaryotic cells? A. DNA. B. Plasma membrane. C. Nucleus. D. Cytoplasm. Answer C. Nucleus. Next question. Prokaryotic organisms are simpler than eukaryotic ones and lack a defined nucleus. Which of the following organisms is an example of a prokaryotic organism? A. Amoeba. B. Yeast. C. Bacteria. D. Algae. Answer C. Bacteria. Next question. Concept of cell theory, which outlines that all living organisms are made of cells, was established by two scientists in the 19th century. Who proposed this foundational biological theory? A. Robert Hooke. B. Schleiden and Schwann. C. Watson and Crick. D. Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Answer B. Schleiden and Schwann. Next question. Cell theory asserts that cells are the basic unit of life. Which of the following statements correctly reflects this theory? A. Cells arise from non-living matter. B. Cells are only found in plants. C. Cells are the basic unit of life. D. All cells are dead. Answer C. Cells are the basic unit of life. Next question. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they generate the energy required for various cellular processes. Which organelle is responsible for this function? A. Nucleus. B. Mitochondria. C. Golgi bodies. D. Ribosome. Answer B. Mitochondria. Next question. Ribosomes are essential for protein synthesis in the cell. What is the primary function of ribosomes? A. DNA replication. B. Protein synthesis. C. Energy production. D. Lipid digestion. Answer B. Protein synthesis. Next question. Mendel's law of segregation states that alleles separate during the formation of gametes. This ensures that each gamete contains only one allele for each trait. Which of the following best describes Mendel's law of segregation? A. Traits blend in offspring. B. Dominant genes get destroyed. C. Alleles separate during gamete formation. D. Genes mutate each generation. Answer C. Alleles separate during gamete formation. Next question. Gregor Mendel's experiments with pea plants laid the groundwork for the understanding of inheritance. Which plant did Mendel use in his experiments to study the inheritance of traits? A. Rose. B. Sunflower. C. Pea plant. D. Wheat. Answer C. Pea plant. Next question. The system of binomial nomenclature, which involves giving every species a two-part Latin name, was established by a renowned botanist. Who introduced this system? A. Darwin. B. Aristotle. C. Linnaeus. D. Mendel. Answer C. Linnaeus. Next question. In the system of binomial nomenclature, the first part of the scientific name refers to a broader classification category. What is the name of this category? A. Species. B. Family. C. Genus. D. Order. Answer C. Genus. Next question. The five-kingdom classification system, which categorizes organisms into 5 broad groups based on characteristics such as cell structure and nutritional modes, was proposed by which scientist? A. Carl Linnaeus. B. Whittaker. C. Watson. D. Darwin. Answer B. Whittaker. Next question. Fungi, which include organisms such as molds and mushrooms, belong to a specific kingdom in the five-kingdom classification system. To which kingdom do fungi belong? A. Monera. B. Protista. C. Fungi. D. Plantae. Answer C. Fungi. Next question. Bamboo is a versatile plant with numerous uses, one of which is the production of paper. Which plant is primarily used in the production of paper? A. Neem. B. Eucalyptus. C. Bamboo. D. Tulsi. Answer C. Bamboo. Next question. Various parts of plants are used for different purposes. Which of the following is an edible part of a plant commonly consumed by humans? A. Bark of neem. B. Stem of sugarcane. C. Leaf of cactus. D. Root of banyan. Answer B. Stem of sugarcane. Next question. Magnesium plays a crucial role in the synthesis of chlorophyll, which is essential for photosynthesis. Which element is vital for the synthesis of chlorophyll in plants? A. Potassium. B. Magnesium. C. Calcium. D. Phosphorus. Answer B. Next question. Nitrogen, a vital element for plant growth, is primarily absorbed by plants in the form of certain compounds. Which form of nitrogen is mainly absorbed by plants? N2 gas. B. NH3. C. NO3 and NH4. D. Protein. Answer C. NO3 and NH4. Next question. Micronutrients are essential in small quantities for plant growth. Which of the following elements is considered a micronutrient for plants? A. Magnesium. B. Manganese. C. Calcium. D. Potassium. Answer B. Manganese. Next question. Deficiency of certain nutrients in plants can cause distinct symptoms. Which of the following is a symptom caused by potassium deficiency in plants? A. Chlorosis. B. Stunted growth. C. Wilting. D. Delayed flowering. Answer C. Wilting. Next question. DNA, the genetic material that carries the instructions for the functioning of cells, is present in more than one part of the cell. Where is DNA found in both eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells? A. Nucleus only. B. Mitochondria only. C. Both nucleus and mitochondria. D. Cytoplasm. Answer C. Both nucleus and mitochondria. Next question. Blood groups are classified based on the presence of specific antigens on the surface of red blood cells. Which blood group is considered the universal donor, compatible with any recipient in emergency situations? A+, B O+, C A+, D O. Answer D O. Next question. Process of red blood cell production occurs in a specific organ of the body. Where are red blood cells primarily formed in the human body? A. Liver. B. Bone marrow. C. Heart. D. Kidney. Answer B. Bone marrow. Next question. Insulin is a hormone that plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar levels in the human body. Which hormone is responsible for controlling blood sugar levels? A. Glucagon. B. Insulin. C. Thyroxine. D. Adrenaline. Answer B. Insulin. Next question. The cerebellum is a vital part of the brain responsible for maintaining balance and coordination. Which part of the brain plays a key role in controlling the body's balance and posture? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Medulla. D. Pons. Answer B. Cerebellum. Next question. Jaundice is a medical condition characterized by the yellowing of the skin and eyes due to a buildup of bilirubin in the blood. Which organ in the human body is primarily affected by jaundice? A. Heart. B. Kidney. C. Liver. D. Lungs. Answer C. Liver. Next question. Vitamin D is unique among vitamins because it can be synthesized by the body when the skin is exposed to sunlight. Which vitamin is produced by the body when exposed to sunlight? A. B. B. C. C. D. D. Answer D. Vitamin D. Next question. A communicable disease is one that can be transmitted from one person to another, either directly or indirectly. Which of the following is an example of a communicable disease? A. Diabetes. B. Cancer. C. Tuberculosis. D. Asthma. Answer C. Tuberculosis. Next question. The cerebrum is the largest part of the human brain and is responsible for higher functions like thinking, memory, and voluntary movement. Which part of the brain is the largest and is primarily responsible for conscious thought and actions? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Medulla. D. Spinal cord. Answer is cerebrum. Next question. Hemoglobin is a protein found in red blood cells that is responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. In which component of blood is hemoglobin primarily found? A. White blood cells. B. Plasma. C. Red blood cells. D. Platelets. Answer C. Red blood cells. Next question. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart, whereas other veins carry deoxygenated blood. Which of the following veins carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? A. Pulmonary vein. B. Pulmonary artery. C. Vena cava. D. Right atrium. Answer A. Pulmonary vein. Next question. Growth hormone is crucial for regulating growth and development in the human body. Which gland secretes the growth hormone which influences physical growth? A. Thyroid. B. Adrenal. C. Pituitary. D. Pancreas. Answer C. Pituitary. Next question. The normal human body temperature is often cited as an average. What is considered the standard normal body temperature for a healthy adult? A. 97 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 100 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 96 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer B. 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Next question. Photosynthesis is a process in which plants convert light energy into chemical energy, and it primarily occurs in certain parts of the plant. Which part of the plant is responsible for carrying out photosynthesis? A. Root. B. Stem. C. Flower. D. Leaf. Answer D. Leaf. Next question. Constitution of India was adopted on November 26, 1949, and it came into force on January 26, 1950. Which article of the Indian Constitution defines the term republic? A. Article 1. B. Article 14. C. Article 21. D. Article 370. Answer A. Article 1. Next question. President of India is the ceremonial head of state, and his role is defined by the Constitution. Who was the first president of India? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. C. Dr. Zakir Hussain. D. V. Giri. Answer A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question. Parliament of India consists of two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. How many members are there in the Rajya Sabha? A. 250. B. 200. C. 300. D. 275. Answer A. 250. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to constitutional remedies, allowing individuals to approach the courts in case of violations of fundamental rights? A. Article 19. B. Article 32. C. Article 35. D. Article 80. Answer B. Article 32. Q5. The Constitution of India defines a state under which part? A. Part 3. B. Part 4. C. Part 5. D. Part 6. Answer C. Part 5. Next question. The Indian National Congress was founded in 1885. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? A. Dadabhai Naoroji. B. A.O. Hume. C. Wimish Chunder Banerjee. D. Lala Lajpat. Answer C. Wimish Chunder Banerjee. Next question. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757 between the British East India Company and which ruler of Bengal? A. Mir Jafar. B. Siraj Udaulah. C. Raja Rammohan Roy. D. Tipu Sultan. Answer B. Siraj Udaulah. Next question. Mahatma Gandhi launched the Quit India movement in which year? A. 1942. B. 1940. C. 1947. D. 1935. Answer A. 1942. Next question. The First Indian War of Independence in 1857 is also known as the A. Sepoy Mutiny. B. First World War. C. Revolt of 1857. D. Both A and C. Answer D. Both A and C. Next question. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India? A. Akbar. B. Humayun. C. Babur. D. Shah Jahan. Answer C. Babur. Next question. The Indian classical dance form Bharatanatyam originated in which state of India? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer B. Tamil Nadu. Next question. Taj Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife. In which city is it located? A. Agra. B. Delhi. C. Jaipur. D. Lucknow. Answer A. Agra. Next question. Which festival is widely celebrated by people of Tamil origin and marks the harvest season in Tamil Nadu? A. Diwali. B. Pongal. C. Onam. D. Baisakhi. Answer B. Pongal. Next question. The Sanchi Stupa, a Buddhist monument, is located in which Indian state? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Bihar. Answer: A. Madhya Pradesh. Next question. The famous Indian martial art Kalaripayattu originated in which state? A. Kerala. B. Punjab. C. Maharashtra. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer: A. Kerala. Next question. The highest peak in India is Mount Kanchenjunga, located in which state? Uttarakhand. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. West Bengal. D. Sikkim. Answer: D. Sikkim. Next question. The longest river in India is the A. Ganges. B. Yamuna. C. Godavari. D. Brahmaputra. Answer: A. Ganges. Next question. The Thar Desert is primarily located in which region of India? A. Punjab. B. Rajasthan. C. Gujarat. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer: B. Rajasthan. Next question. The Sundarbans, a famous mangrove forest, is located in which part of India? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Kerala. C. West Bengal. D. Odisha. Answer: C. West Bengal. Next question. Which Indian state is known as the land of rising sun? A. Assam. B. Nagaland. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Meghalaya. Answer: C. Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. Who is known as the father of Indian economic reforms for introducing significant changes in 1991? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Manmohan Singh. C. Rajiv Gandhi. D. P. Chidambaram. Answer: B. Manmohan Singh. Next question. The goods and services tax was introduced in India on A. April 1, 2017. B. August 15, 2016. C. July 1, 2017. D. January 26, 2018. Answer: C. July 1, 2017. Next question. The Planning Commission of India was replaced by which body? A. Niti Aayog. B. RBI. C. Finance Commission. D. Ministry of Commerce. Answer: Niti Aayog. Next question. The Make in India initiative was launched by the Government of India in which year? A. 2014. B. 2015. C. 2016. D. 2017. Answer: B. 2015. Next question. India's GDP growth rate was the highest in the world in which year? A. 2014. B. 2016. C. 2018. D. 2020. Answer: C. 2018.